Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another day on the stream. We are back. It's Monday morning. We're ready to go. Let's get it. Let's get some music rolling. What is up, everyone? What's up, Broda? Gerard, Michael, Florida Trader, Scott B. Appreciate it, Michael. Thanks. Yeah, if you didn't check out the video, made a new video yesterday on tips for account growth for somebody under PDT to get over PDT. What's up, Discipline? AC, Mr. Owen, Snacks. Got the Powerade. How you guys doing? You guys have a good weekend?
SMMT.
Looks like we got a gainer. It's like 60%. Besides that, doesn't look too crazy. I'm just gonna chill for a few minutes. So the ape shares started trading this morning. Or they start trading this morning. They haven't started yet. Hey, Jordan. Good morning. Happy Monday. We're back. Hopefully it's a good week. So the market's gap down. 417.
TSP.
Bitcoin is right at 21K. So it's looking pretty ugly. The market was due to pull back. That's for sure. GovX to make some moves. Yeah, the monkeypox one's pulled back just a little bit. Actually, yeah, GovX had a tough week. GovX is close to a bounce zone, though. Look right here, the 50 SMA on the daily is at 159. So it's coming up on that right now. It's at 167. Yeah, it's kind of falling off, but I think SIGA, which is like the lead dog, has pulled back. Not as dramatically as GovX. But, yeah, GovX coming up on the 50 SMA, so I would imagine it gets a bounce there. But it didn't really even get a bounce off the 200, which is surprising. Hey, Steven, what's up, man? Good morning. Welcome in.
EQX.
But yeah, this has been on a downtrend for a little bit now. Look at the top gainer this morning. Saver One 2014 Unlimited. Or Limited.
CLM.
So
GT.
I don't see any news on this, as per expected.
SVRE.
I feel like if I've never heard of the ticker before and it's up in pre-market, then it is usually up on nothing.
Here.
I'm looking. I don't see anything. Back in July, it looks like maybe. Or June, I mean. Back in early June. Hey, Simon, good morning. Yeah, so it looks like early June IPO. It sold down to $2, popped to 4, sold down to almost 2 again, and back over 4. So up on absolutely nothing. It's always fun. KRBP. Sweet.
BIMI.
I don't see anything on that either. Oh, you got a good trade on it? Nice. 396 to 434. Good job.
Dogs.
Dogs. It's pets and dogs going or something. Oh no. Why did that hit the scanner? I know pets tried to pop on Friday, but couldn't do it. Price action has definitely went back to 2022 standards over the past couple days. Thursday, it really turned off. Bed Bath & Beyond fell off a cliff. Like, just everything just died. And it died hard. Brad, I'm taking some NHWK. BWV ran to $6 a share from Tuesday's last off monkeypox vaccine news. So that had monkeypox vaccine news. Seeing 8K. See what it says. There you go. Company has agreed to fund a research program for development of proprietary what is that word? I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. Monkeypox vaccine. Coming on all monkeypox virus construct. Okay, yeah, that puts them in the monkeypox realm. I've never heard of that ticker before. Nighthawk. You gotta call me Nighthawk. Yeah, it's up to 290.
TSP.
Looks like the 8K came out at 7:30 and no one really realized it until 7. Actually, no, they did. They bought it up a little bit. Didn't have an actual PR come out though. SVRE. Hey, Potsy, good morning. SVRE major runner in Premarket, watching GRFX. So we can get a rewatch. This GRFX, is that a recent IPO too? Somewhat. Yeah, Mr. Owens. I've lost all trust in the market again, so I'm gonna be taking things super slow. If I make a couple $100 today, I'll be ecstatic. Just because the price action just turned off, and it turned off in a hurry. So we're back to not only August standards, but 2022 standards. KRVP canceled their offering. Okay, cool. When you're saying delist, I think, what do you mean by that, Mr. Owens? Are you talking about which ticker? I know I'm a little delayed on here, so you could have said that like a while back. This thing's going for 3. GRFX, okay, GRFX. So this is like a delist run, you think? Is that what you're saying?
GT.
Oh, this almost looks like an uplister from like OTC, the way that the chart's traded. Is that what you mean? Hey, Eric. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Welcome in. Good to see you. Oh, okay. Uplist. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, so the 19th it uplisted on NYSE American. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, when you see a daily chart that looks very weird like this, like it's not connected, and you see like just looks very strange, it's usually OTC prior, and then once it starts getting like regular volume in action, that's when it uplists.
APRN.
Three is a big level for this. From 3 to about 320. A lot of resistance. A lot of supply, if you will. Really? Just go to 3. Oh my god, whatever. Yeah, it's got the 200 SMA. It's got, and then it's got specific actual selling pressure there too. So 3. I will get you on 3, dang it.
BSGM.
Okay, I'm gonna cheat.
More.
Wait, how did that still not work? $3. Okay, there we go. So yeah, a little bit of a supply zone from 3 to 320. Over 320. 350 to 389, 390 zone. But there's really not much. Not much through this zone because it was kind of a straight sell-off. It never really consolidated besides this zone right here.
AG. NHWK. UAA. NHWK.
I'm tempted to take small through this 3 level, but I don't know.
NHWK. SMMT.
Guess I should have. It's kind of been straight up. I'm gonna look at the 1 minute. I guess that provided a little bit better picture. Came up to 3, hit 3, pulled back, hammered off the 9 and the 1, and then pushed through. Yeah, that'd have been a good trade. I need to confirm that we're gonna get some movement higher today before I just hop into something. Because the last 2 trading days have been horrendous. Back to the trap candle, back to the fake out breakout.
GBNH. SMMT.
So if it would have done what it was doing last week, it would have came up to 3, tested 3 here, fake break, all the way down to 270, traded at 270 for a minute, and then boxed it back up to 3 and through 3. Just broke pattern and everything, but this one actually held up. Which is good to see.
LAZR.
SMMT on the scans, getting some volume. That one is the one from Friday that had the big buy at 97 cents by the insider. Wow, this thing's just going, huh? Yeah, Thursday, Friday action was so bad. Like back to January standards. So that was a good move. I missed it. Didn't trust it, but now I see that, you know, at least something can push higher today. So that's a positive.
BSGM. CUK. DNA.
SPY's at 417 today. I've been waiting for it to pull back to the 415 level. So maybe today's the day it tests 415 and bounces. But it was, you know, it was expected. Entirely expected.
UPH.
I have it drawn into my other chart, but not this one. Went straight to the 200. And also, there was a huge daily trend line. So a little bit of a cool off that is entirely expected. So I can delete this trend line now.
Cold.
Can also delete all these trend lines.
SMMT.
Whoa, SMMT just busted 150.
SMMT. SMMT.
165.
CCL.
So the action today is surprisingly okay so far. But yeah, SPY, 415 level would be nice. Right at the 20 on the daily, 20 EMA daily. Pull back, hang on to this zone maybe, and then push up through higher. I'm sure I'm going to see a lot of 2008 stuff on my feed today because we're down 1%. Down 1%, and they've been saying 2008 since 365, 360. Short, go short, please go short, please go short. We're going to fall off a cliff. We're going to die. The end of the world's coming. And we're all the way up to 430. Now we're pulling back 1%. Like, I told you guys. We're down, and it's at 417 from 360. So I fully expect some of that today.
SWN.
Holding the breakout. I like it a lot. Trading sideways here. Put SMMT down here. Had a nice little ramp. Really nice little ramp. It's trying to 3-bar on the one right here.
MREO. SMMT.
Wow, look at the price action this morning, guys. You shut your mouth, Broda. Nice little breakout here. So we got 2 chart breakouts this morning. Now I haven't taken any trades yet. I'm shell shook from Thursday and Friday, so I'm just chilling. Looking like 2008 out there. You know what you did. So this is back to a 3 test here. 3 retest.
QS.
Not scalping AMC today. I would rather just take the day off. You got SMMT 136. Oh, nice. Look at this. When I mentioned like, hey, SMMT on the scanner getting volume, it's right here. It was like a 147, 148. Yeah, AMC looks bad. Wow. So you got a great position on SMMT. You went to Party City over the weekend too? Nice. It's looking okay. See if it starts shredding this wall.
RKLB. NHWK.
I missed it. I tried to time it up. Oh well. So 320 is going to be resistance. See if it just shreds it. I doubt it. Hey, Davin, good morning. Let's go. Let's get it.
UPH. CUK.
SMMT still trying to push. Just straight up right now.
IONM.
See this rejection from 320? That's a good trade. That's a good trade. 14 cents was fantastic. Oh my gosh. This thing just straight up. Should have chased 148, 150. This is the 1 minute. No pullbacks, no nothing. Just straight ramp. Yeah, you're rich. So, 2 res.
BNSO.
Then around 230, 240. I say 235 with the 200.
TEL. XRTX.
But we're at, what was this, Thursday after hours price?
NRXP.
Hell of a move right here.
ING. ANPC.
Got about 5 minutes to the, or 4 minutes to the 8:30 news. So we'll see if something fresh comes out there. You got some okay moves this morning.
SMMT.
And you guys know I don't say that just if it's a gainer. It's actually good price action. Okay, SMNT's slowing down just a little bit. It's got a 50K ask at one, or 50K bid at 179, but I think it's gonna get shredded here.
XRTX. MREO.
Yeah, a little bit of a pullback now on SMMT.
PACB.
Went to 320 on the dot. As expected. Oh, it is. What were those stickers again on Natty Gas? I had a list, but I forget.
GBNH. SBRE.
That was me. Don't worry, your computer's not about to explode.
UPH.
Tell. Yeah, it's up this morning. A little bit. It's got a big ask at 455. I think Tell was what I was thinking of. One second, be right back.
EYEN. TSP. MFGP. GRTS. GBNH. ALLG. Bird.
Did I miss anything? I can blow my nose again. Getting stopped up.
LIZI.
Hey, Premarket, good morning.
PRPL.
Look, Bitcoin for a second. So this is the daily, fell out of the rising wedge. Went to 20,750-ish. Trying to hammer off that. Just made a double bottom, and now it's made a little bit of a higher low, so it could be trending upwards. I had news yesterday that the Texans are going to accept Bitcoin, I think, from their fans. So this is MEXC Global Platform. We'll say thanks to those guys for being my first and only stream sponsor. So appreciate the guys over at MEXC Global. If you guys are interested in getting into crypto trading, definitely check out MEXC. If you deposit 200 and you have at least 20K in trading volume, you will get a $20 future bonus. And there's the link to MEXC. Guess I gotta type this out.
Arts. STLA.
That should work. See if that pulls it up. So you'll see it pull up, and it's got my referral code right there. This is just a sign up for MEXC Global. It is a crypto only platform, so you don't have a USD balance. You just have a crypto balance. So you trade with USDT. That's a standard, you know, crypto only platform thing that you trade with USDT. That's the basically equivalent to the dollar in the crypto realm.
RTL, GDRX, NCLH.
If you can figure it out, anyone can, right? Yes, David, I have a video, a YouTube video actually, which I can put in the chat here, that I have my scanners actually linked in for trade ideas,
EBET.
which is right here, David. Some beautiful daily setups, baby. Let's go. That's what we love to hear. So usually with the stream, I haven't been eating breakfast till like after 10 a.m. Sometimes I just won't even eat breakfast. I'll just eat lunch. I'll eat like lunch at like 11:30. Yeah, no problem, David. But when we were making a lot of money consistently, I'll say, I used to order Chick-fil-A breakfast a lot, and I would get the chicken biscuits. Those Chick-fil-A chicken biscuits are fantastic in the morning. Get a large sweet tea. Delish. SGFY on Seeking Alpha News. Great. It's the best news source out there.
CNHI, OCGN.
But yeah, right now it's Powerade and Mints, and then I get to a Dr. Pepper. Some people enjoy eating content. You know, maybe I'll just start eating breakfast on stream. That's some content creation.
ALLG.
People just get on stream and eat. So appreciate this one. I mean, you were the very first member of the inner circle. You'll always hold that title. The very first.
GOGL.
I saw a few of you took advantage of the early video yesterday. So the inner circle members get the video. I'm gonna try to do it about 30 minutes early than the public. So I posted at 6:30 yesterday, and I saw it had like 4 views before I put it live. Hey, Robin. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in.
SVRTX.
Good to see all my members this morning. SMMT trying to hammer up here on the 5. Trying to hang on. And HWK went right to the resistance level, to the penny, and pulled back. You're just going to have to take a position in all of them then, Rhoda, because those daily flags have been paying you. I mean, it sounds like a plan to me. So SMMT pulling back to VWAP now. SVRE getting a little volume, trying to reverse back to 430.
BGRY. BBBY.
There's her Bed Bath & Beyond scanner. That down? Yeah. Down to 932.
RKLB.
Feel bad for the apes and all the people that were told, you know, buy up here, 25, 30. And now it's at $9. GERN sitting at 223. Hey, I mean, if you're looking at purely risk to reward, you know, that's your spot. Yeah, look at that.
SVRE. SVRE. SMMT. CCL.
SVRE is acting weird. And HWK trying to curl up a little bit off of this zone. So this was the breakout zone through 280. Now it's coming back down to 280 and trying to hold. Hold on just a second, guys. I'll be right back.
STLA. NCLH. VLD. MVST. CNK. SILV. SWN. VLCN. PACB. IMBT. CLM.
All right. Let's look at BWV.
CH.
It's almost a daily 2-candle pullback, which is also a setup. Still within the mother.
Again.
Looks like it's already bounced a little bit, but yeah, today, I mean, it could go up, maybe test the upper wick, which is all the way up at 490, you know? Okay. Yeah, so held the 9 on the daily. 2 candle pullback. Did come back to the bottom of the mother bar, but held. Now it's back above 4. So through 420 zone, it could go test, you know, the upper wick here, near 5. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look terrible. 22K ask here, but really doesn't look too terrible at all. So SMMT down to the 9 on the 5, kind of straight down now after a straight up. SVRE trying to push again. That one's got a lot of weird selling pressure. I was looking at it a second ago. Like it'll be breaking 440 with good volume, and then it just gets hammered on the bid, hammered on the bid, hammered on the bid. I don't know if it's shorts. I don't know if they're being aggressive because they won so good on Thursday and Friday. Like it was almost every single setup failed last couple days. So, but as you see, like this will be grinding, and right now this should break through. Yeah, they got the bidder. Refresh, refresh, refresh. Broke 440. Just went to 441. And smashed. See? Look at that. It wiped out 10 cents worth of bids. Something is wrong with this.
AKAN.
Now an ask walking down, walking down, walking down, walking down. I'm glad that happened. That was a perfect teachable moment. Like, something is wrong. Broke through 440, went to 441, got absolutely smacked. Yeah, VLCN doesn't look as good. It's like almost back home. But BWB does not look bad at all. Setup wise. The borrow price is outrageous for this.
Right.
Interesting. Yeah, something's up with it though. It's one of those that just keep coming back to, which I hate. I hate seeing that. Just follow your trend, break up or break down. Don't, you know, break down, up, up, wick, sideways, selling pressure, buying pressure. Just stop. This is set on the 50 on the 1, which is the same as the 9 on the 5.
EBET. GWAB. ECC. SER. GBNH.
All right, so we're a little slow right now. You know what time it is then. It is Wordle o'clock.
BNSL. CLSK.
So today I'm going to start with
LPTH.
okay. Okay. Okay, so it's ME.
BLCN. NHWK.
Wait. Not looking at chat.
NHW.
M-E.
NHW.
Does this have to be a vowel?
MEGL.
That's not a word,
BBBY.
right?
NHWK. PACB.
I guess it could be M-E-R something T. Like merit. There it is. There it is. Yeah, you got it this time, Fernurky. I was thinking of the R
GP.
having to be in the second to last spot, but once I flipped it, it was easy. Merit. So SMMT still pulling back. SVRE still looking terrible.
TKC. HL.
Oh God, Berkey. Don't you dare. How do you earn a green name? So you either join the inner circle or get lucky enough to be gifted one whenever someone gifts one.
BHC.
If you do want to purchase it, though, I know you use your iPhone a lot. Don't buy it through the YouTube app on Apple because it will charge you $6.99. It's $4.99 regular. But if you go, if you see this screen, make sure that you go to gift settings and make sure it says allow gifts for everyone watching this. So on the main screen, join, dots, gift, and then allow gifts. That's if you, if someone gifts, you will get a gifted membership, or you'll be able to at least. But if you want to join, it is $4.99. You get the emojis, you get the early access to the videos, you get the green name, and then the badge next to you see this one has a white M. After 1 month, it changes to green. I think after 3 months, it changes to yellow. And then 6 months, it changes to red. And then after 1 year of membership, you get my exact emoji next to yours.
LIZI. ATN.
Yes, sir. And it's not required. It's just supporting the channel, you know. Your name sticks out. You got the green. There's a lot of greens right now because there was a lot of gifted subs last week.
CLS.
But yeah, it's a lot of support for the channel. I appreciate it. Berkey looking fly in his suit.
MRAI.
MTA happy hour Friday at 4. Not a whole lot going on. We got about 7 minutes to the 9 a.m. action. SVRE still, you know, hanging around the same zone.
DNMR.
Is it forming, you know, shoulder, head, shoulder? Is it going to break out of a dumb pattern and just go straight up? This one kind of looks similar. You know, if this is a shoulder, you know, shoulder, head, shoulder, is it going to break down from there? You think AMC will bottom out or continue bleeding? Depends on the market, I think. It did have that dividend 8 share thing. I don't know the exact conversion of that, Felix, but that's probably a big reason why it's down, because the dividend came out. I don't see it going lower than $10. I mean, that was the low from here. Down 40% right now. It looks pretty ugly, but I don't think it's like dead. I don't think it's gonna bleed back to $2 unless the market literally falls off a cliff. I think the fact that SPY is down is making it worse. AKLI, is that a new IPO today? I'm not sure. I'm out of the loop. This stock? Looks like it's already trading.
GPL.
Oh, AKLI was DNA. Gotcha. Gotcha. All right, so here is a push up to 450. Ugly pattern. Really ugly pattern. A lot of selling pressure right here.
APPH. BLON.
So through 450. Wow.
QS.
When it looks bad, it's good. When it looks bad, or when it looks good, it's bad. So like this candle looked good. It looked like it was getting ready to go. And then death. And now that it looks like it's dying, pushed right back up and now over 450. Volume's kind of faded off on SMMT down here. Pretty much gave back half its gains in a matter of, 15, 20 minutes.
CSSE.
Top loser today, AMC. Tough.
MEGL.
Megal, $12. We're getting to the rave music now.
Riot.
Now that the meme stocks are done for a while, maybe we'll move on to, you know, tickers with news, getting followed through. It'd be great. Tickers with a reason to be up, to stay up. That'd be fantastic. That's what we want. Follow through, price action, continuation, breakouts. And bearish patterns don't need to break out. You know, bullish patterns up, bearish patterns down. Simple as that.
AMRS.
This thing's still pushing.
FUBO. AXL.
Will anything come out at 9 a.m.? That is the question. Let's see. PEV got news. Enters hydrogen fuel cell market with acquisition of Altergy assets.
CLSK. PEV.
I didn't want to slap that spread though. PEV. It was 336 bid, 390 ask.
BLCN.
So that's all it was. Looks like back down to 375. Just how Booch it looks nice. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, 10K bidder right here, so it's trying to tighten up a little.
SVRE. CWBR. USEA.
SVRE catching now.
IRNT.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a head and shoulder breakout. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Shoulder, head, shoulder, break down. Nope, up.
FNHC.
Yeah, I thought this move would happen way over here, not like continuing out the shoulder, you know? Yeah, head and shoulder breakout. You know we're busted whenever you see that stuff happen.
CYXT.
Yep, 428. Wow. Yeah, I mean, it was screwing around here for a while and just never went, and then it finally just got a volume stick that sent it.
Rad.
BWV perking a little bit, but it needs over that 408 wall. I don't know if they're going to send it pre-market or wait till after open, if it does go. But it is perking a little. I know you guys were watching that one.
Eno. PSHG.
PSHG announces termination of aftermarket offering. It's a shipper. It used to be DCIX.
AMRS. Ha.
SMMT continuing lower. SVRE kind of hanging around here. Not really ripping, not really pulling back. 1 minute looks okay. Right here off the 9 on the 1. See if it pushes up through. It's trying. Couldn't break the high there, though.
MULN.
Mullins high of day. 80 cents. What's that doing? No, I had news at 8:30.
CNK.
Launch fully functional demonstrator 5 EV crossovers in October 2022.
TSP. Can.
Not much happening right now, guys. Just gonna have to survive till I open. This is flagging a little bit. BWV getting some taps of high. It may take a little if it starts breaking this 408 wall.
AHT.
I don't know if they're just screwballing around though until open.
Azul. IAG.
Mullins testing 80.
PSHG. AMRS. TIE. AXL. GO.
Everything's moving in slow motion now.
FUBO. F1HC. SMMT. GBNH. SMMT. EVET.
Yeah, I do not see anything that's set up at this moment. SMMT trying to hammer here. SVRE trying to hammer.
HOFB. GBNH.
Probably won't be much happen till open.
Fork. TWOU. Isla. SID.
Nope, haven't really taken anything. I took quick scalps on stuff, made 18 bucks.
Top.
Still don't trust anything yet. Thursday, Friday put me back into super conservative mode. We'll see how today acts. See if I get back in a little bit more aggressive.
BVLG.
Yeah, I probably won't take anything till well after open.
FTI.
This looks like a good setup to take. I just don't trust it. One second. All right.
COSN.
So SVRE, that's why I didn't trust it. Nice setup on the 20 on the 1. Fell through. Are we going to do a trap candle? We'll see.
BSGM. AEO.
Nope, looking bearish now. It can still hammer up, but still got like 13 minutes till the bell. This may hang around actually. Make it look as ugly as possible and then they push it right back up. I'd rather wait for open action than try to play this pre-market screwball.
GWH.
Yeah, oil off a cliff.
GRTS. IONM. CDTX. Geo. ASTS. Lien. DNA.
SPY gap down, but it's not really falling or pushing back up. It's just hanging around.
Debts.
You guys taking anything? You in anything? You holding anything through open?
AYTU, CNHI.
Nada. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you on that. Scott B in SVRE since 414. Very nice. Very nice. Just ride it out, man. Move your stops up through higher lows. GFRX, okay. Okay. I like BWV for open. Kind of pull back here, though. But I like that you pointed that out. The daily setup looks good, Broda. Got a couple walls to get through now, though.
SVRE. MINM, VIPs. DIMI. RITM.
So SVRE, try to push up, pulling back now. SMMT holding this 140 level.
BSGM. Hive.
Got about 8 minutes to the bell, guys. 8 minutes.
RKLB.
So this pulling back, SMMT down, BWV a little bit of a hammer, but keeps getting weird selling pressure.
TWOU. Frey.
NHWK, forgot about that one. ROKT partners with Uber and AMC.
SID. XRTX.
Yeah, we're just kind of waiting until open at this point.
ASTS.
Not much positive going on at all right now.
FPAY TGA CENX CLOV. MVIS. ATNF.
Is this the Chainsmokers song? A rip-off song, at least? I think it is.
GGB. CWBR.
You're late? Well, you didn't miss much. SVRE, SMMT had pushes and then they fell back. BWV, I really like the setup on the daily
IMBT.
/ the 5-minute setup. But besides that, not much. Not much happening today. AMC's down a metric ton because of the ape dividend, and the market's down. So the meme stocks are down today.
Cyto. POWWW. WKHS. INBZ. BHC.
This is definitely getting tapped this morning.
Jets.
They try to shake people out. They dropped it to 387. Gosh, my nose is running. Hold on one second.
MTA. HLN. Hive.
Okay. So we got 2 minutes to the bell. Guess I'm gonna feed the dogs after the stream. I think they can wait 30 minutes. Yeah, BWV doesn't look bad at all. $36K volume on this 5-minute into open here.
FNHC. Snap.
See what they do with it.
NXT.
Nice pop at open on it last week.
QOS.
Yeah, right here. Right, no.
CENN.
Right here, I guess. And the daily, I mean, set up with that 2-candle pullback.
MBTA.
So it's due, 420 to 450 test. We'll see. Curious to see what happens on it after open here. But the chart is set up. The chart is definitely set up. Through 420, through 450 to 5, maybe. you get a good move out of it.
NBTS, STLA.
Got about 30 seconds left. Let's switch over to the intraday.
4. XXII.
That's not the intraday.
VIPs. SVRE. NHWK.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
GBNH. AMGC, BRZ, NHWK, SBSOA, SNCR, Reverse, VICYAD, QID, MICS, MSDR, MIGI, LYDS, DRH, MMTHDG, DERN, CAAP, DLNG, ICRA.
SNDL to acquire the Valens company.
HYW, PRPO, IHS, LCI, MICS,
Interesting.
TUR, GRFX, Ella, Jim, CBRX, SVRE. NCA. ACH.
So SMT had a nice little pop there to open.
NHWK.
NHWK, little action.
DEPS. PEPG. NHWK.
It's up 2,500 there. I'm gonna risk like right here.
SGFY. GRFX. LTRY. SVFD. NLSP. Route.
Okay.
SVRE.
That was quick.
ANPC. COS. PGRU. E.
I'm literally in straight scout mode right now.
GBNH. GBNH. TKC. ATNM.
Veru up through 19.
FNHC. NHWK. TKC.
NHWK towards 280 here.
DEX. SVRE. SVIG. CYSHG. SVIG. CRTY.
Okay. Veru rejecting 19 pretty hard. NHWK rejecting pretty hard. SMMT rejecting pretty hard. BWV pushing back down.
RRH. PSHG. TH. SDFD. PHLYD. FNHC. SMMT.
SMMT, there you go. Straight up push out the gate.
MSPR.
NHWK fail.
Kava. THWWW. Earth. SNCR, PSHG, TH, KRBP,
Not seeing much, guys. Not seeing a whole lot. This is just a straight up push off of the bottom here. BWV with a huge ask at 4 now.
FPAY,
Yeah, I'm not chasing this.
SVRE,
This is one of those hold through open and just set your stop at 139.
AXDX, SMMT, OXLC, EPB, ALJLTSW,
You guys have any luck? Because I'm not seeing anything. SMMT, the only thing up right now from open. Everything else down. And down hard.
NLSP, HLVX, RVCN, ANPC, SVRE, QRHC, MSPR,
Short of the market. Yeah. SPY going down.
PCTI, MSPRZ, CLDADGI,
I'm watching BWV right here. It needs to hold this level like 395.
NBRB, UK, MSPRZ, SIJ, SVRE,
Hey, John. What's up, buddy? Good morning.
CRT,
Good to see you, man.
CMAX,
Red with the push. Interesting. Red with the big push. With the market down and everything. Interesting.
FNCH,
Yeah, I saw it was doing something again, isn't it?
CD,
Up over 26.
ANPC,
I gotta at least go grab a Dr. Pepper. Be right back.
EVEX, KRBP, SGA, SVRE, COS, CD, SVRE, XRTX, KRBP, FPAY.
I am muted. I am muted. My bad. I am back. PRTY. Yep. Yep. Push straight up out the gate. My B. MSPR. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. AMC on the scanner. Is it squeezing? Yep, AMC trying to push a little bit.
SVRA. THWWW.
GRFX is the one AC was in, right?
LMFA. PGRU. Rev.
Yeah, the memes are bouncing a little.
PRTY. ANPC. KRBP. Mind.
Is that halting? AMC halting up. I slapped some BBBY on that, but I'm probably just going to scalp it. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Took it. AMC halted up, though. I guess I should chase it. I was watching it, but didn't really expect to halt up.
SVRE, RBCN, Rev.
Yep, the memes are lighting up a little bit. Fubo off of 4. AMC halted up. Bed Bath & Beyond up. Bed Bath & Beyond's going to have some resistance here. 1050.
MITQ.
What price you got Fubo at, Broda? Didn't you have that at like 5, though? Did you already get out?
ANPC, KRBP. GBRGR. ANPC.
8 halted up. Great. There you go, miner.
KRBP. SVRE. NHWK, IMBI.
Very interesting. We'll see how AMC recovers. 30. It was down like 40%. Just a buying opportunity for the apes.
HIHL. HIHBD. SXTC. GMG. MITQ. ANPC. SVRE.
Yeah, PRTY, it's around 240 right now.
CAAP.
Do 44. Yeah, PRTY doesn't look bad. I want to see how AMC opens. So AMC is going to open
PRTY. SXTC.
at, wait, I don't see it. It's just waiting for data.
WKEY.
945, 58. LQDA, Backburner Watch, good daily.
ANPC, MITQ,
Yes, it is.
MTA, NM, ANPC, SVRE,
It's actually pushing.
CUSA, PGRU, LMB,
I scalped it for like nothing. $123. Yeah, it's pushing now. It had to do this opening nonsense, you know, straight up, straight down, up, hammer, fail. Actually, it did a fail hammer. Fail into a big hammer.
UPXI, TSLS, ANPC, SVRE, FSI, OYST, KALB, BRN, SVRE, ASYS, CBIA, CD, DCGO, SMMT, AMC, SRTS,
AMC open.
ESPR, SRTS, MHUA, WFCSGA, CMCM, ANPC, SRTS,
1230.
AHTG,
All right, sorry about that. Yeah, AMC ripping. 1275.
CD,
Off again.
GRFX, ANPC, IBC,
Bed Bath Beyond 1070. Yeah, for real. Just want to buy all your chocolate.
GBNH,
Yes, double halt up AMC. That's crazy.
GRFX, GRFX, MHUA,
Bed Bath Beyond 1057. Where's Ape at? Ape halted down, actually.
CO, HIBS, MMMB,
Okay, Ape opened higher, over 10, 1050.
UP, CAAP, Holy,
Interesting.
VORB, SVRE, NCMI, GRFX,
I'm taking it super, super easy today, guys. Like, quick scalps. I'm not even pulling it up on screen because it's so quick. Until we get a little confidence back, and then we'll be good to go.
MCZ. SGFY.
KRBP. AMC. Yeah, AMC still halted up. 1272. Be crazy if we got a third halt. Usually want to be out before the third halt.
SVRE. GRFX. BRN.
I want to say thanks for everybody hanging out. Thanks for the likes, comments. Thanks to all my members of the Inner Circle. Appreciate it. All the donors that have donated. All the subs to the channel. Just everybody. Thanks for all the support. Yeah, there was a 30% off trade out ended yesterday. So they'll have another one at the end of the sale, or at the end of the test drive, which will be this weekend. It'll probably be at 25%. I'll let you know. But yeah, it was 30%. That's the biggest one I've ever seen. 25 is usually the biggest one. Yeah, I tweeted it out. My bad. I should have put it in here too, I guess. I've never seen 30. Yeah, since I started watching trade ideas in like 2016, I've never seen 30. Oh yeah, I forgot about your GRFX play. Yeah, pushing. Weird, kind of weird after-hour pre-market action, but it's pushing. Good job.
ANPC.
AMC, let's check and see when it opens. I'm asking Dozer if I could integrate the bot into the YouTube chat as well, like for the halts. That would be sick. I don't think anybody else has got that. That would be huge.
Paul Plus IDRA.
So AMC should unhalt at 9:52:33.
GRFX. KRBTSL. KRBP. WETG. IDRA. ANPC.
Okay, open. Hit 13 for just a second there. Usually third halt's negative. Let's see. Third halt. It's looking like it's trying to halt down. They're walking it, walking it, walking it, walking it. 12:35 halting. Is it halted though? Is the question. Halting. Yeah, it's gonna halt.
IDRA. SGFY.
Yeah. So 3 halt rule stays intact. You know, first halt, good. Second halt, good. You want to be out before the third halt. Third halt, negative.
AUYE. GRFX. GRFX.
Party City though, trying to go up regardless.
SVRE.
MRSN, yeah, pushing up towards 780.
WILC.
That's a real nice daily flag, huh? Wow.
LBTX.
Really nice daily flag on MRSN.
SGFY. ACH GRFX SVRE GBNH ANPC IDRA TRX.
I'll see if I can integrate the bot into the chat. Maybe today into tomorrow.
GBNH Kano Plus GRFX
AMPC straight up. Party City still straight up. LQDA straight up. Wow.
ANPC SGFY GRFX SVRE ANTC WEVR AGTI
Weber is another one that's cheaper. It's $8, but kind of meme-ish. LQDA, $8.
Kano Plus GRFX
You guys see how much restraint I'm using today, and I'm using it for good reason. The past couple of days have been awful, so I don't want to rush in anything.
ANPC
Things are continuing today, which is good, but no reason to rush in. We got all week. We got the whole rest of the day. It's only 9:58.
SGFY
Yeah, Weber straight up.
RMED GBNH
They're trying to halt Weber. Man, everything's just a chase today. It's tough. Once it starts, it freaking rips.
ANPC GRFX
Ooh, that one died hard.
SVRE
Bed Bath & Beyond's still showing some really nice strength here. AMC is open.
TSLS
Bouncing off the 9 on the 5. Or on the 1, I mean.
SGFY.
AMC 1240, 1250. Man, I took a quick scalp on it. Should have held a little longer. Babathion coming up on 1150.
GRFX. SVRE.
Yep, there's 1150 tap. Fubo looking weak, so Fubo's not wanting to follow. Blue Apron is wanting to follow. It's at 530, 527. So Apron, a little bit of action.
GRFX.
Okay, AMC pushing down now. But they bought it up. Interesting.
CIDM.
Scanner's blowing up. BWV still in play, which is very annoying.
ANPC. GRFX. SGFY. SVRE.
Apron 530 test here.
IDRA.
536 now.
GBNH. GBNH. ANPC.
Apron straight up, 540 now. Bed Bath & Beyond AMC cooling off just a little. Not really that bad.
VLNS. ANPC. ZNH.
AMC hanging on for now.
SVRE.
Couple nice hammers here off of 12.
HITI.
Wish I'd have gotten 12. Really don't want to chase 1230, 1240. Okay, it's pushing. Looks okay.
NOS.
BWV up to 425.
WEBR GRFX SVRE
Big smash there on BWV. All right, it's past 10. I need to go feed the dogs. Not a whole lot going on here. Just the meme action. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the likes, the comments. As always, I'll be back here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.